ṣùgbọ́n ká máa wá yí nǹkan ẹ̀yẹ́ o sọ pé àwọn undermine president wa pé kò wà capable president wa ti sọ kò dẹ̀ deny woman kan sọ ní Arise TV ó lóun lọ bá pé kí ló fẹ́ ṣe lórí security náà tó ní tóun bá dá sí ọ náà máa pa òun president mọ ewu tó wà ń bẹ̀ wípé tóun bá ní kóun step on toes àwọn alágbára tó ń cause insecurity it may cost him a lot because ọ̀rọ̀ insecurity Nigeria ó kọjá ọ̀rọ̀ terrorist ó wà mọ́ economical unconfirmed report sọ pé even àwọn former head of state unconfirmed report àwọn retired generals unconfirmed report pé àwọn náà hate àwọn people wọ̀nyí láti pay now sí gbogbo ibi tí gold diamond solid minerals wá wà ìlú tó bá ti ní wọn akógun jà wọn lé àwọn aráàlú yẹn kó níbi tí kìíní yẹn wà torí gbogbo ibi tí àwọn substance wà tí gbogbo solid mineral wà máàpù yẹn wà lọ́wọ́ wọn ẹ̀rí gbogbo ibi tí solid mineral wà ó ní security threat wà.
gẹ́gẹ́ bí Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ṣé ẹ̀yin á wò pé bóyá tí àwọn olóyè ńláńlá nílẹ̀ Yorùbá àti àwọn ọba aládé tí wọ́n bá parapọ̀ tí wọ́n pe àwọn òrìṣà bíi Ṣàngó Olúkòso Ọya àti àwọn òrìṣà ńláńlá nílẹ̀ Yorùbá ṣé àwọn òrìṣà yìí ṣé wọ́n lè gbèjà wa ní dípò kí a lọ pe àwọn ará US láti wá fight fún wa sà.
wẹ́ tó bá ní ká pe òrìṣà káwọn bá pe òrìṣà àwọn náà ti máa pè lábẹ́lẹ̀ o èyí tó rí ló pọ̀ jù àwa tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí nǹkan tá à ń ṣe lábẹ́lẹ̀ kí ààbò wọ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ní ò lè sọ síta o torí mo mọ̀ pé tó bá dágbá ó wọn ní lọ fèsì àwọn gómìnà mọ́ o ìgbà yẹn náà mọ̀ pé ààrẹ ló lórí ogun o nígbà tó ń pín owó ní State House nísìnyí wọn mọ̀ pé ààrẹ ni lórí ogun o ìgbà tó ń wọ agbádá lọ villa tó ń gba national award wọn mọ̀ pé ààrẹ ló lórí ogun o ṣùgbọ́n tó bá dá páó ààrẹ náà wọn kọ́ pé ààrẹ kí ló máa ṣe o mo ń ṣe ìwọ̀nba tó yẹ kí n lè ṣe mo dẹ̀ pé àwọn ọba kan náà ń ṣe ṣùgbọ́n bí kan làdúrà tí máa gbà Bíbélì sọ pé Ọlọ́run sọ pé èrò ẹ kọ́ ni èrò mi ọ̀nà tí wọ́n fẹ́ gbà kọ́ ni ọ̀nà mi ta ló mọ̀ bóyá ibi tí gbígbàdúrà tá a gbà lábẹ́lẹ̀ lọ́lọ́run fi gbé Amẹ́ríkà dìde pé kán wá gbèjà wa gbogbo gbà kọ́lẹ̀ yẹn máa ń gbèjà rẹ̀ o Ọlọ́run máa ń rán olùgbèjà wa láti ọ̀nà tó jì kó wá gbèjà wa kí ló wà ní ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ṣe bá wa lọ ń gbèjà Sierra Leone nígbà tí wọ́n ní wàhálà nítorí pé alágbára jù wọ́n lọ ṣe bá wa lọ gbèjà Liberia ṣe bá náà lọ ṣe peacekeeping ní Somalia kí ló lè ní ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ṣe bá àwọn American soldier máa wá ń train àwọn soldiers wa amóye ìgbà tán wá train àwọn soldiers wa ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe rí bá America ṣe operate kò lè gbà wọ́n ju 3-4 days lọ wọn ò dẹ̀ ní ṣe on floor attack airstrike ni o the base of these criminals ọkọ̀ bá wa ṣẹ́ẹ̀lì bíi 15 ọ̀nà àlà ṣùgbọ́n ká máa wá yí nǹkan ẹ̀yẹ́ o sọ pé àwọn undermine president wa pé kò wà capable president wa ti sọ kò dẹ̀ deny woman kan sọ ní Arise TV ó lóun lọ bá pé kí ló fẹ́ ṣe lórí security náà tó ní tóun bá dá sí ọ náà máa pa òun the woman says it she's from the north kò dẹ̀ sí reporter kan from the presidency pé irọ́ ni woman yẹn pa láti bí ọdún kan sẹ́yìn president mọ ewu tó wà ń bẹ̀ wípé tóun bá ní kóun step on toes àwọn alágbára tó ń cause insecurity it may cost him a lot because ọ̀rọ̀ insecurity Nigeria ó kọjá ọ̀rọ̀ terrorist ó wà mọ́ economical ẹ̀rí pé mo reflect pé gbogbo national forest wa òun ni solid minerals wà ń bẹ̀ unconfirmed report sọ pé even our former head of state unconfirmed report àwọn retired generals unconfirmed report pé àwọn náà hate àwọn people wọ̀nyí láti pay now sí gbogbo ibi tí gold diamond solid minerals wá wà ìlú tó bá ti ní wọn akógun jà wọn lé àwọn aráàlú yẹn kó níbi tí kìíní yẹn wà torí gbogbo ibi tí àwọn substance wà tí gbogbo solid mineral wà máàpù yẹn wà lọ́wọ́ wọn ẹ̀rí gbogbo ibi tí solid mineral wà òun ni security threat wà Zamfara gold and the gold in Zamfara ó ṣàn láti Zamfara títí dé Kaduna ni north tẹ́rí yẹn rò pé wọ́n ní mineral solid mineral tí north ní ní 20% in the south. Mustafa sọ only there was one solid mineral called California. Only a gram of that California is about $27 million, which a gram of gold will take to 20% gram of that California. It's in Borno State. That's the beginning of Boko Haram. They were mining that California to cause security threats. Resources so you can fit two ìlú ìṣe. And then bamboos àwọn Niger Delta. And kó JTF sí wọn lọ́rọ̀ pé wọn ò gbúdọ̀ ṣe bunkering. Me ò support bunkering o. Why are you protecting oil without protecting solid mineral? There was a time that El-Rufai sọ wípé the solid mineral in Kaduna, South Africa, that the project that has the largest solid mineral in Africa did not have 20% of the solid mineral in Kaduna State only. The major income revenue of South Africa now is solid mineral. And what is the budget of South Africa this year? The budget of South Africa is $140 billion. And the budget of Nigeria is $34 billion. Where are they making that money in South Africa? The major money they are making it in solid mineral. Because they coordinate it very well. They did not allow mafia to thief it. They did not allow mafia to take it away. Sell it privately. The money is going to national treasury. But in Nigeria, the money is becoming wasteful to individual. And the individual create artificial insecurity. And the president cannot confront them. If the president cannot confront them, we need an external help. We should not be talking about religion. God did not know the difference between Christian and Muslim and traditionalist. What happened in Babala? Majority of the people that was killed in Babala were Muslim. But the major thing is that we need international assistance, even beyond America. Because I don't know any country that can accept our refugee. If there is a crisis or war in this country, 250 million people. We should not politicize this issue. Anybody who comes from Middle Belt, we not say Trump should not come and assist them. They don't know what will happen tomorrow in Middle Belt, especially Benue State. They don't know what will happen in Plateau tomorrow because of threats of life and property. Most of the churches have been burnt. Even these terrorists went to mosques to kill people in Katsina. Something drastically must be done on these issues. You don't need to pretend. This is a country that they don't want truth. They prefer to be dying slowly because of political issues. It's where you have your life that you can play politics. When politics arise. And this thing, when it happens, it will land on my table. They will be blaming me. That was the reason I come out for press. I will organize this press conference. Don't share your blame to me. We are ready to play our role. If you don't allow us to play our role, there's nothing we can do. I can't come to your house, if there's a security threat in your house, and open your gate that I want to secure you. If you don't open the gate for me, a governor of a state is in charge of the gate of any state. Any individual cannot intrude to the security and protection of that state. That person will run into trouble. It's only a stark illiterate, political illiterate, that will ask Are to go and invade any community without the permission of the Oba, without the permission of the local government, without the permission of area commander, and the governor of the state. Don't put unnecessary blame on us. Call the government, the governors, or the federal government who are ready to partner with them.